Today, we're going to discuss how we make the maroon and khaki utility kilt. To start manufacturing, we need some basic items like fabric, thread, scissor, a measuring tape, snap buttons, D-rings, lobster hook. First, we select the fabric colors, maroon and khaki. Then we cut the fabric according to the customer length and waist sizes. We cut a plain front apron, and on the side and back, we make pleats that secure them. We pin the pleats and sew them with a straight stitch. And secure them inside from the top of the kilt. After that, we cut khaki and maroon fabric to make pockets. We attached a lobster hook with pockets and connected it with D-rings. At the end, we make a khaki loop and sew it on the top waist to wear a belt and for hanging sporran. We also use snap buttons on the top for kilt fastening.